This is a brand new 2014 Ford Fusion Energi. This four-door sedan has a continuously variable transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, voice activation technology, speed-sensitive volume controls, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.